Is anybody injured? Are you injured? You don't need an ambulance? Okay.
Is there anyone injured?
No.
No? Okay. Can we talk over there maybe?
Yes.
This is Jenny.
I'll talk to Jenny real quick. Will you just see if anybody got physically... Hi. You're Jenny?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on today?
Nothing. I was telling my supervisor nothing's going on, and she told me that I seemed out of it.
Okay.
And I was like, I'm tired. I work 2 jobs.
Okay.
Like, it's Friday. Like, I have to go to my other job, my yoga studio, and clean up and go to work.
Sure.
That's it.
That's understandable. Okay.
And that was it.
Okay.
And that was it.
Did you physically go after anybody? Did
No.
anybody physically go after you?
They just, I just kept asking them, like, what's wrong? Like, I didn't do anything. Like, what's wrong with it? And I just kept pleading to them. I was like, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And that was it. But it wasn't anything like me being aggressive to them. Or
Okay.
at least I didn't think it was being aggressive.
Did anybody put their hands on you?
No.
Okay. And you didn't put your hands on anybody else?
No.
Okay. How much sleep did you get last night?
I got 8 hours.
You got 8 hours? What time did you start this job today?
It would have been at 7.
So 7 in the morning.
So when I woke up, it would have been 7. By the
Okay.
time I got here, it would have been 8.
Okay. So, and then you work, what, 8 to
8 to now.
8 to now? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Has this ever happened before? They've never approached you?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is new.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink?
No.
Okay. Are you somebody that does drink alcohol?
Occasionally, but not today.
Not today. Okay.
No.
Um,
Especially not because I'm working.
Okay, so that's never something like you would
No.
go on your lunch break and maybe have a drink or anything like that. Okay.
No.
What about any type of like medicine you're on or anything like that?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Nothing.
So you just feel tired?
Could be, but this is every Friday. Like, this is something.
Do you have days off? What are your days off?
No.
You
I
don't
mean,
get-
on Monday through Friday, and then so when I go and clean at the yoga studio, is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it's not like it's just today.
Okay, so you just feel overtired.
I mean, I feel
Okay.
normal.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
this is your normal?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't know why they think you... Did they say anything as to why they thought you looked
No.
maybe not abnormal?
No.
Like you didn't fall asleep at your desk or anything
No.
like that?
No.
Okay. Would you tell me if you had anything to drink and if I didn't tell your boss? Just so I know medically what I'm dealing with?
Yeah.
And you're saying no alcohol, no type of drugs or anything like that?
Yeah.
Yes, you have or no, you haven't?
No.
No, you haven't. Okay.
No.
Okay. You do seem a little off to me talking to you, but I don't
In
know
what
you.
way?
You seem a little like slow to response and your eyes are very glazed over. Were you crying at all?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
crying
Okay.
because of what they accused me of.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't even ask. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Okay, so you're 32. So you haven't had anything and you think this is more of a misunderstanding?
Yes.
Okay, how did you get to work today?
By myself. I'm like coming to here regularly. Yeah.
Okay, and you didn't drive or anything like that?
I mean, I drove.
Oh, you drove. You did
yeah,
drive.
of
Okay.
course.
You drove
That's what I'm
yourself
trying
in.
to tell you. Like, I drove
Okay.
here normally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got to talk to my partner. This is kind of I got to make sure nothing criminal happened. I don't think anything did. Okay. Then it's going to be more of an internal thing with your workplace. How long have you worked here?
I worked here since October.
October? Okay. So they might have some internal whatever they're going to decide to do.
Okay.
That's out of our hands, okay?
Okay.
The next thing I will have to do is make sure you're good to drive.
Okay.
Okay? So you would be able to pass some field sobriety test, or I could just get a PBT and you could blow into it and it should show all zeros, right? Or is it not going to?
No, at that point, that's whatever you guys think.
I just want to make sure you're good to drive. I sure wouldn't want you to get behind the wheel and then have an accident, and you don't need that in your life, right? You don't need a DUI. Because you could leave here, head yourself into another town, and then something else bad happens. Mm-hmm. So if I gave you a PBT test, would you blow zeros or no? You can just shake your head yes or no. I don't care. And I'm not going to tell your boss. It's not my place to tell your boss.
I mean, it's not
My
my
concern
place
is
to
you.
tell anything.
My concern is you don't drive if you had too much to drink.
I mean, I'm fine right now, and there's nothing to.
Would it be okay? How about this? Would it be best if you called a friend or a family member or an Uber to have you leave for tonight and come get your car later?
Sure.
Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. I appreciate that. Okay.
Yeah.
But let me go talk to my partner,
Okay.
and then we're gonna try to get out here. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Oh no! You don't have to get it. Just I don't want you to have any confrontation with them. Just have a seat. My partner's gonna hang tight with you. Okay.
So at this point, no, they don't want to do anything other than have her leave.
Perfect. Okay. She's gonna get in. You wanna do an Uber?
I mean, I'm fine. I'm just telling
Here,
you,
I'm
like,
gonna be
if
honest
you
with
need.
You're not going to drive. I'm talking to you.
No, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm fine.
You're not fine to drive.
I'm
So
gonna tell you right now,
okay.
I'm fine.
I know that's what you're telling me, but I can tell by just the communication I've had with you, you're not okay to drive. Okay? So, like, the best plan is for you to get an Uber. Where's your phone at? Do you want to
Okay.
grab? Why don't you grab your stuff and call yourself an Uber?
Okay.
Is this your water bottle? Because it's leaking.
This big one.
Okay, this one.
You drink a whole one in a day?
Yeah, try to.
That's pretty good.
Oh, good job,
Hey,
Hey.
we're not gonna have any. We're not gonna have any
Holy
more of this.
shit!
Let's walk out. We're
Yeah.
gonna walk out.
Good job,
Favorite stuff.
baby.
We're gonna leave. We're gonna keep walking.
Good job.
Keep walking.
Hey,
Keep walking.
Yep. All right, that's it.
Now you want to.
Alright. Wait.
Hey. Joe, if you can give me a cup.
So.
All right, don't move. I'm gonna make these so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
Don't move. Is there an exit that way or no?
Oh, you. You.
Jenny, we're gonna get you up, okay?
Yeah, I
We're
know.
not looking to fight with you, okay?
Oh, I know.
All right, I'm gonna help you up. Ready? One, just
No,
come
can
this
you help
way.
me? Can you help me?
Sure, that's fine.
Not you.
That's fine.
You can sit up. Now walk up.
You good? I'll be right
That's
behind you.
Yeah, can you just open a door for us, please?
Oh, can you just open up?
You wanna go this way?
Can you just open up? Can I get a
I'll grab your stuff.
No.
I'll grab your stuff.
Officer, please.
I'll grab your stuff. Whoa.
Stupid.
Don't.
Oh, you ugly.
Let's go.
You ugly. You are disgusting. You are the most terrible manager ever. You never gave me feedback. You were terrible.
No.
What? Yeah. Stupid. I will f you up. I will f you up.
1382, give me a second.
Shut the f up. Shut the f up, you stupid.
Did you get hit, ma'am? Okay.
Yeah, she did. Good thing
Oh,
that she
perfect
got.
timing.
Oh,
You're gonna
good timing.
Let me go get my car.
Sure.
Come back around.
Squirtly.
Just trying to have somebody open up a door for us.
Were you every time you got here? Or,
Yeah. Don't kick me.
Stop.
You've already been charged with aggravated battery. Don't move. Are you injured?
Oh, you're asking me right now if I'm injured? My right cuff is injured. You idiot. You're a idiot cop right now.
Don't kick me.
You are a idiot if you're telling me that if anything is injured. You're a idiot because you are injuring my right hand right now.
Don't move.
Oh, you.
Don't move, Jennifer. Don't move. Don't move.
Move? Shit. It's the same shit you guys are putting us through. What the fuck does it matter?
You guys want to hold the door?
You hold the door, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, stand up. You want me to stand up?
You look hard.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on, let me search it real quick. Look, I have to check you before you get in my car.
Go ahead,
Please don't kick me. Please don't do anything
I'm
violent.
not doing
okay?
shit to you. Just do it. Just shut the fuck up
I
about
gotcha.
it. Just fucking do it. Ma'am, you have nothing to worry about. Shut the fuck up.
Sit back for me, please.
I'm sitting. What
You're
the
good.
fuck am I gonna
listen.
do?
Yeah.
Shut up,
We just-
dude.
we-
Just leave me
We gotta
alone.
put the seatbelt on you, okay?
You gotta put your
Okay,
seatbelt
leave
on.
me.
Yeah. So
Okay,
she's
where
gonna
is
gonna
it?
pass the
Why
seatbelt
does
to me.
she?
Oh, here we go.
She's gonna pass it.
She's a f***ing idiot.
Okay.
She doesn't know what the f*** she's doing. She's a f***ing idiot. Look at her.
Just sit back for me so we can get this around.
Barely. Look at this idiot.
You got it?
Holy shit. Good for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Good for you.
Okay.
Anything. I don't deserve this. Shit. Hey, you're going fast. Miss Girl. Patrolling. Woo. Patrolling. You're old as f***, so... so this must be so f***ing easy for you. Good for you. You have old gray hair, so I'm sure this is very easy for you. Good for you, girl. Good for you.